Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I have a back to school project for you that is super easy but so super cute. I don't know about you, but I love binder clips. They come in all these great sizes, big, medium, small, and I'm going to teach you how to take them from boring to beautiful. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. For this project, you will need binder clips, X-Acto knife or box cutter, ruler, a work surface, and duct tape. So I love binder clips. They're just so awesome. And I love the fact that you can, use a little duct tape and you can make them your own. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your duct tape and we're going to lay out a strip here. I'm going to start with the big one. And these are the perfect size. They fit with duct tape just perfectly. So what I'm going to do is just line this one up right here in the end, go up and over, and flip it over there. And you can see that's where I want to cut it. So right there, take my ruler, lay it right down, and just give it a little cut. And then I'm going to just peel this up and lay it right on the edge there, right there, and then up and over, and then come down on the other side. Now, if you have a little extra or if you've missed a little bit, that's okay. Just bring your X-Acto knife and give it a little cut, and that'll make it perfect, like that. Isn't that cute? And now you can make matching sets. Okay, so you've got your one, right? That's your biggie. Now let's do our next sizes. Now these guys are much smaller, and so they're actually going to not need it to go this way. You're going to go this way with it. You're going to go up and down, and once again I'm going to make a little cut here. I'm going to use my ruler to line it up. These polka dots are perfect because I could just line it up with the polka dots. And come on down, go up and over, and if you want to give this a little cut, you can. And then let's do the little teeny tiny ones because everybody likes the tiny ones. I like the tiny ones the best. So just lay your tiny one down, mark it, put your legs down. This one I would just say go right on up to that edge there. Go up, go over, pop your legs back so they're not in your way. Give this little cut. Watch your fingers when you do this. And you can cut this side if you want to, or just leave it the way it is there. Again, always watch your fingers there. You got to be very careful with those X-Acto knife with this one. And there you go. Now you got your small one. Now let me show you some of the ones I did. So I did these little guys, these little polka dot ones. I love these guys. And then I also did these great peacock ones. I love these peacocks. Aren't these peacock ones fun? So I've got these polka dots, these polka dots, these polka dots, and peacocks. I am set for school. So there you have it, your own set of matching binder clips. And remember, you can make as many as you like and give them to all your friends and use them for all of your projects so that your teachers look at you and go, this girl has got it going on, or this boy. For more great ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.